外岛的有美，因为岛呢。
Good morning from the peaceful township of Yuli, Hualien County, Taiwan. After 4 lively days in Hualien City, it's time to unwind in the serene East Rift Valley of Taiwan. First thing first, I am going to check into my homestay in Yuli. It's called Shanjian B&B. The B&B is only a 10-minute walk from Yuli train station. With a 7-Eleven and the PX Mart just 200 meters away, it's very convenient for grabbing snacks and necessities. Everything is managed via messaging, and I never met the owner. While this streamlined approach works well, some travelers may prefer a more personal touch. Nestled in a residential area with nearby schools, this B&B offers a blend of city convenience and countryside tranquility. You're away from traffic noise but still close to local life. The shared living space is bright, elegant, and inviting, reflecting the greenery between the mountains aesthetic. The place feels new and well-maintained. The B&B's shoes-off policy ensures immaculate floors, a great touch that reflects respect for the home. The kitchen is modern and well-equipped with a microwave, stovetop, a large fridge, and a filtered water dispenser, which is a plus for sustainability-minded travelers. Unfortunately, there are no visible facilities for washing clothes, which is an oversight for those on longer stays. I paid 1,680 new Taiwan dollars per night for a deluxe double room. At 18 square meters, the room is compact but efficiently arranged. However, a couple with large luggage may find the room a bit cramped. The queen bed is plush, with crisp white linens and the deep blue accents adding a refined touch. A light wood desk, chair, and stool offer a cozy workspace, but storage is limited to a shelf. There is no wardrobe or luggage rack. A hairdryer and 4 metal clothes hangers are provided. The B&B is exceptionally quiet. This is one of the most peaceful stays I've had on this trip. The dehumidifier, due to post-2024 Hualien earthquake repairs, keeps the air fresh. The aircon works perfectly. The TP-Link mobile router inside the room provides fast and reliable internet connection. I could access many channels via the smart TV. The bathroom is clean, compact, and functional. A glass-enclosed shower stall ensures the space stays dry and neat. Hand soap and reusable cups is thoughtfully provided. The shower experience is delightful, given the hot water with strong pressure. The B&B provides a herbal shampoo and body wash sourced from the mountains, which is a nice surprise. The wooden ceiling and wood-look tiles add warmth to the minimalist design. While a bath mat is provided, there are no grab bars or mobility-friendly features, which could be a drawback for older travelers. Overall, I found Shanjian B&B to be an excellent accommodation option. It delivers high-end aesthetics at an affordable price, making it a top choice for modern travelers in Yuli. I would definitely stay here again.